Over the last couple of years, Adobe has significantly ramped up its AI efforts. In 2023, the company rolled out the Firefly image generation model, quickly followed by generative fill in Photoshop, showcasing Adobe's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automated creativity. Now, Adobe is shifting its focus towards specialized AI agents that can operate autonomously and tackle a broader range of tasks. This shift is referred to as Agentic AI, where each agent is self-reliant enough to identify and address issues without always waiting for direct commands. These tools can anticipate problems like broken links, weak conversion spots, or outdated assets and step in to fix them. The Adobe Experience Platform, orchestrating AI agents. A key component of this approach is the Adobe Experience Platform, which serves as an agent orchestrator. This system coordinates the various AI agents, enabling them to function together seamlessly. The orchestration layer simplifies how each agent taps into enterprise data and navigates customer journeys. Adobe has unveiled 10 specialized agents, each targeting a specific responsibility. Site Optimization Agent monitors traffic stats, bounce rates, and user experience bottlenecks, suggesting or implementing fixes. Content Production Agent creates images or text aligned with specific themes or brand standards. Journey Agent coordinates content across channels, ensuring emails, social media posts, and on-site messaging work harmoniously. Workflow Optimization Agent improves team collaboration. Data Engineering Agent handles large-scale data projects. These agents are designed to work autonomously, addressing issues proactively without constant human oversight. Within this orchestration layer, Adobe introduced Brand Concierge, a feature that personalizes user experiences. It greets visitors by name and tailors the website based on their browsing history or shared preferences. By combining user data with product or content information, Brand Concierge adjusts visuals, headlines, or calls to action to align with individual preferences. Adobe believes this level of personalized interaction will become more common as users grow increasingly comfortable with AI-driven tools. The growing adoption of generative AI. Adobe's internal data highlights the rapid adoption of generative AI. From July 2024 to February 2025, traffic to US retail sites driven by generative AI surged by 1,200%, while travel sites saw a 1,700% increase. This growing comfort with AI-driven services has encouraged Adobe to expand its offerings, with Brand Concierge being a prime example of how AI can reshape website layouts and content for individual visitors. Partnerships and ecosystem integration. Adobe has collaborated with companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, IBM, SAP, Genesys, and Rainfocus to ensure its AI agents can integrate seamlessly into various ecosystems. Enterprises often use solutions from multiple providers, and Adobe's goal is to help unify these systems. The orchestrator allows agents to share data, enabling one agent to trigger actions in another. For instance, an analytics agent could prompt an engagement agent to launch a follow-up campaign if conversions drop on a specific landing page. Adobe Summit 2025, a showcase of innovation. During the Adobe Summit 2025 in Las Vegas, the spotlight was on the Adobe Experience Platform's ability to handle massive amounts of data and refine personalized experiences in real time.
This is now the era of customer experience orchestration, where your content, customer data, your journeys, all work in harmony with AI.
And that's why we built GenStudio. GenStudio is a solution that helps you control your content supply chain and gives you end-to-end visibility across all of your campaign activities.
I'll head on over to Photoshop where I have the original templates from Max Miami. The design is still good, but
Originally released in 2019, the platform received significant upgrades in 2024, including an AI assistant for campaign tasks. Adobe revealed that the platform now powers over 1 trillion customer experiences annually, with revenue growing by 50% in FY 2024 and new customers increasing by 30%, expanding Firefly and GenStudio. Adobe's Firefly, initially an image generation model, is expanding through new services and APIs. These include automated video translation, lip syncing in multiple languages, and a Substance 3D API for generating product images for marketing or e-commerce. Additionally, GenStudio, designed to streamline the content supply chain, now includes a foundation feature that provides a single view for tracking campaigns, tasks, and creative elements. GenStudio for performance marketing focuses on paid social and display ads, generating ad variations that adhere to brand guidelines and sharing them instantly on platforms like Microsoft Advertising, Google Campaign Manager 360, and LinkedIn ads. Content analytics and personalization. Adobe also introduced Content Analytics, a tool that identifies which parts of an asset drive user engagement. For example, a hotel marketer might discover that sunset beach scenes generate more reservations than cityscapes. This insight is fed back into the Adobe Experience platform, which refines audience groups and displays more beach-centric visuals to users who prefer them.
Cozy winter cabin in smoke curling from the surrounded gentle falling snow flakes in a slow zoom. We're not gonna put any adjustments on, just text this time. Let's hit generate. There's these fun little creatures that pop up. They make it super fun. And then if you look on the bottom, you'll start seeing a loading circle. It doesn't take very long, maybe 30 seconds at the very most. And if you haven't noticed, we're all inside the browser with no application installed. The playback is the best part because you instantly get the result. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we can tweak that. If you notice, we're gonna scroll to the advanced.
If the experimentation agent detects a spike in conversions, the content production agent can pivot upcoming materials to align with that style or theme. Strategic partnerships and future outlook. Adobe announced broader partnerships with Amazon, Microsoft, Publicis Group, and ServiceNow to make its AI agents easier to adopt across diverse setups. For instance, Amazon Ads integrates with Adobe's performance marketing, enabling teams to create and launch on-brand ad variations for Amazon's advertising platform. Similarly, Microsoft's integration brings AI agents into common workplace tools, allowing teams to manage marketing tasks within their existing workflows. Challenges and forward-looking statements. Despite its optimism, Adobe acknowledges challenges such as data security, regulatory compliance, intellectual property concerns, and market fluctuations. The future of customer experience orchestration. Adobe's vision is to unify generative AI, personalization, and multi-channel engagement into a cohesive system. This approach, termed customer experience orchestration, allows websites to reconfigure layouts, highlight relevant content, and measure engagement or conversions in real time. Several well-known brands plan to test these capabilities soon, hoping to streamline tasks like image reformatting and data analysis. Adobe believes widespread adoption of its AI tools could revolutionize routine operations, with automated scans identifying performance issues and AI-driven content creation accelerating workflows. While questions about data privacy remain, Adobe assures that Firefly and the Experience platform adhere to commercial security standards, allowing enterprises to control how much information each AI agent can access. Adobe's Agentic AI represents the next big shift in automation, where human teams no longer need to sift through dashboards or manage complex workflows. Over time, these suggestions will become more refined thanks to shared data and brand vision within the agent orchestrator. If these tools deliver on their promise, they could redefine how companies create, optimize, and adapt content, freeing people to focus on strategic decisions while AI handles the repetitive tasks behind the scenes. Expanding Adobe's AI revolution a look ahead. Adobe's advancements in AI, particularly with tools like Firefly, Generative Fill, and the Adobe Experience platform, are reshaping the creative and marketing landscapes. These innovations are not just about automating repetitive tasks, they're about enabling businesses to deliver highly personalized, data-driven experiences at scale. For instance, the site optimization agent can identify and fix user experience bottlenecks, while the content production agent ensures that every piece of content aligns with brand standards. This level of automation allows teams to focus on strategy and creativity, leaving the heavy lifting to AI. These tools are not just about personalization, they're about creating dynamic, adaptive experiences that evolve with customer preferences. For instance, Brand Concierge can greet returning visitors by name and tailor the website layout based on their past interactions, creating a sense of familiarity and relevance. This level of personalization is becoming increasingly important as consumers expect brands to anticipate their needs and deliver meaningful experiences. Adobe's focus on customer experience orchestration is another game changer. By unifying generative AI, personalization, and multi-channel engagement, Adobe is enabling businesses to create cohesive, real-time experiences across every touchpoint. Imagine a scenario where a drop in conversions on a landing page triggers an automated campaign to re-engage users, or where AI-generated content is instantly adapted to suit different platforms and audiences. These capabilities are not just futuristic, they're already being tested by leading brands, and the results are promising. As Adobe continues to innovate, the possibilities for AI in marketing are virtually limitless. From automating routine tasks to uncovering deep insights into customer behavior, AI is set to become an indispensable tool for marketers. And with platforms like Judy's Marketing offering expert advice and strategies, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and make the most of these cutting-edge technologies. If you're as excited about these innovations as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and marketing insights, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, if you want more information about the world of marketing, AI, and creativity, head over to Judy's Marketing for more tips, tricks, and expert advice. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and let's see where AI takes us next.